The new variant of COVID-19, Omicron, is unleashing havoc across European countries, and India and other South Asian countries don't appear to be far from a similar fate. The exponential characteristic of the Omicron transmission has already taken the number of cases over 1,000, with capital recording the most. However, to ward off a situation that strained the health system of the country and took away thousands of lives in the second wave of April and May, the authorities have come into action. Curbs are being imposed and COVID protocol being ensured. India is all set to start administering vaccines to adolescents and booster shots to healthcare and frontline workers.
As cases of Omicron variant of coronavirus take a sharp jump in just 1 week, the Indian authorities have scrambled to contain it at all levels. Whether it is inoculating children aged between 15 and 18 or providing booster shots to elderly and frontline workers, the government has issued a new set of guidelines for the coming days. While the adolescents will start receiving their jabs from 3rd January, the precautionary boosters to the elderly and frontline workers will commence on the 10th.
15 साल से 18 साल की आयु के बीच के जो बच्चे हैं, अब उनके लिए देश में वैक्सीनेशन प्रारंभ होगा। 2022 में 3 जनवरी को सोमवार के दिन से इसकी शुरुआत की जाएगी।
The Government of India has been accelerating its vaccination campaign and has now administered over 1.45 billion jabs. However, the global records that have shown a significant decline in the efficacy of vaccines against the virus have prompted the government to impose stricter preventive curbs. Mumbai and Delhi, two of the most important cities of the country, have once again been hit hard. While Maharashtra, whose capital is Mumbai, has registered most cases, the capital New Delhi is the single city to have logged the most number of cases.
जो कल 496 पॉजिटिव केसेस आए, पॉजिटिविटी लगभग 1% के आसपास चल रही है और लगातार पिछले कुछ दिनों से जब से ओमिक्रॉन स्टार्ट हुआ है, विदेशों से फ्लाइट्स आनी स्टार्ट हुई हैं, केसेस काफ़ी तेज़ी से बढ़ रहा है। अभी तक जितने भी केस आ रहे हैं ज़्यादातर ऐसे हैं कि जो बाहर से लोग आए हैं वो थोड़े दिनों बाद पॉजिटिव हो रहे हैं, तो उनके कॉन्टैक्ट के लोग या उनके घर के लोग ज़्यादा हो रहे हैं।
The government has now been particularly cautious at handling the passengers arriving from countries identified at risk, including the United Kingdom, France and Italy. Most of the cases India has registered till now have either been foreign returnees or close contacts of those who have come from abroad. Meanwhile, the other South Asian countries too have reported the new infection. Experts say that unlike India, Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh have not been able to achieve their vaccination targets and are likely to struggle if the new COVID variant strikes them the way it has hit other countries. Currently, they haven't reported many cases, but the nature of the variant doesn't take much time in multiplying numbers. And with weak health systems, particularly in Pakistan and Afghanistan, even this relatively less dangerous variant could prove fatal. And from WHO to different governments, the authorities across the world have once again appealed the mass to fall in line with COVID-compliant behavior, put on their masks again, and get vaccinated.